The other thing is getting folks to do their estate planning. And this is sort of runs hand in hand with the entity agreements. Very, very important, totally understandable why people don't like to do it.
Sure.
I often laugh because the way estate planning is so often marketed is you're going to save a lot of money in estate taxes. Well, you, meaning the client, isn't going to save anything. He or she isn't going to be there.
Right.
So it's an emotional, it's a difficult time for clients when they need to do that. My partner, Tracy Ryman, is very compassionate about these things, and as well as being an excellent technical attorney. But it's very important to talk these things through, and particularly issues of guardianship of young children. What if the worst nightmare of any parent happens and both parents, are no longer there? Those are often the tax decisions may get made fairly easily, but the process can be often held up by those difficult emotional decisions. And again, it's perfectly understandable. As a corollary, elder care planning, planning for eventual disability. Difficult to get people to face, but very important. And we are constantly working with clients to raise their awareness of these issues and make the process as palatable for them as we can. Before I actually articulated it as business succession and working with family-owned businesses, probably for 25 years, because that's who most of the clients were. I tend to focus on human relationships, so I noticed that, gee, these are not just two people in business together. This is a husband and a wife, or a father and a son. And look what's going on here. And then it was a somewhat dramatic story for me. Went to California for a seminar on estate planning for family business owners. And I was really resigned to spending 2.5 days trying to learn the tax aspects. And the first speaker spoke about the human dynamics side of it and the interdisciplinary way of approaching working with family-owned businesses, because there really is no one professional that has all of the expertise that's necessary to handle both the legal technical side and the human dynamic side and the financial side and all of those things. So it often takes a team, and very important that you have people that are willing to check their egos at the door and really try to work for the client's best interest.